During the last week, we planned out what's the next chapter in Royalty's most amazing adventure yet. Tony, enjoying the week here at Royalty has been pretty non-eventful. We are just passing the holidays, and we had a lot of time on our hands. So
A little bit.
And what did we decide to do?
We decided to come up with Royalty Rally number
4. So during the last week, we planned out what's the next chapter in Royalty's most amazing adventure yet. We want to go and take rally number 3 to an entirely different level.
Yep.
What I mean by that is that rally number 3 was amazing, but it was like the first rally with the crews, and we did it from California, which is the smaller version of that experience.
Yes, it is.
So now tell them where the next rally is going to be.
So the next rally, we are actually going to start on the east side of America.
First time ever.
First time ever for us. We are going to start in Nashville, Tennessee.
Which is the birthplace of hot chicken.
The birthplace. So we're going to make sure that we get everybody's wonderful opinion on hot chicken and its origin.
The origin of hot chicken, you know?
Absolutely. And then from Nashville, we are going to Asheville. So Asheville is an absolutely beautiful place. We're going to be staying at the Biltmore there in Asheville.
The Biltmore is dope, guys. Honestly, this rally is about luxury. Okay, I am ultra luxury, really. I am really impressed with the last rally we did. The hotels there, the Terranea Resort. It was like another level of experience.
It was beautiful.
Right?
It was beautiful. It was a nice
People get married there, dude. Like literally married there. So for rally number 4, the Biltmore elevates that to 10x. I mean, it's probably one of the nicest hotels in America.
Absolutely. And also the Gaylord Opryland in Nashville is also a beautiful, beautiful property.
It is crazy. I can't even begin to imagine. They have an indoor water park in the lobby of the hotel, guys. There's literally a wave pool in, like, you surf on it next to the front desk. Like, it's just like, what could we not imagine putting here? A wave pool. Well, let's put one anyways. So Nashville to Asheville, and then?
Well, from Nashville to Asheville, we'll be doing the Tail of the Dragon.
Tail of the Dragon.
So one of the most famous and
most dangerous
roads in America.
Especially for me.
Yeah, but we're gonna get some power steering in whatever car that you're driving. So we're gonna make sure it's fully operable. From Nashville to Asheville, we'll then be going to Charleston, South Carolina, where we stay at the Dewberry.
That's a really cool place too. I've been to Charleston, South Carolina, and the Carolinas already beautiful as it is, but down there in Charleston, it's like, I like to call that place Regal, right? It's kind of like, that's why I wanted to do the podcast here. By the way, this is my wife's furniture store that we're in. She set up this really cool, I don't really know what to call it, but it's like the Dark Knight, Abraham Lincoln, you know, it's the Lincoln set, right? It's a cross between it's the Lincoln Lounge, like modern luxury, right? But it's also very regal, right? With just everything about this place. So I love it. Hopefully my wife will let me do podcasts here more often.
We locked her out, by the way. That's why she isn't here.
That's exactly why she's not here. So,
but the Dewberry does have a very regal feel to it, like this set. From Charleston, South Carolina, we are going down the coast all the way down to Orlando, Florida, where we will spend 2 days.
Because we got 1 day at Disney, which makes sense, right? And at Disney, we're staying at the Gaylord Palms,
which is in the same family as the Opryland that's in Nashville.
Yeah, which is like this super high tier, like crazy high tier hotel.
Nice properties.
And we'll have everybody on the rally will get to choose what park they want to go to. So basically, we're going to buy tickets for Disney, because I personally am going to take my kids, because my kids are going to join us once we get to the Disney area. They're going to join us, and I'm going to take them to the Magic Kingdom because they just love animals. And that was always... You're right, the Animal Kingdom. I call it the Magic Kingdom, but that's wrong.
All of them are magic.
They're all magical.
It's the happiest place on earth.
So yeah, the Animal Kingdom, because my kids love that place. And the Magic Kingdom is the same one in California, which we've been to many times. So for the big people out there, they got Epcot, right? The big rides, the scary ones. Where's the Star Wars one?
Star Wars, I believe, is in the Magic Kingdom.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's, I don't know. It's crazy. So anyways, we're gonna spend 2 days there. Now, it's really like 1.5 days, 1 full day at Disney, and then a half day for those of you that want to take the rally experience to the next wicked level. We're gonna do the brand new Norwegian Prima cruise ship, which is currently the largest cruise ship in Norwegian's fleet. It has a 3-story go-kart track, just crazy luxury everywhere. And that trip is awesome. It leaves out of the port of Orlando and it goes from Orlando to Cozumel, Mexico, down to Jamaica, and then over to Grand Cayman, Bahamas, and then we go back to Orlando. So it's a 7-day cruise, and it's the newest, most luxurious cruise experience from Norwegian. And we had a great time in the last Norwegian cruise. So it was awesome. I mean, we did go on a 5-day cruise to Mexico. So those ships that do the shorter duration cruises aren't like the big boys. And we had a great time. We had a 2-story go-kart track. We had a whole bunch of stuff on there. So you have the option to do just the drive portion if you don't want to do the cruise. Technically, you could do just the cruise portion if you didn't want to do the drive, right? And then you can do both, like us here, the team. We're gonna do both, and it's pretty epic. This is gonna be like a great vacation for my family because I'm taking the family. And you guys, you know, on the rallies, I'm not really opposed to people bringing their kids and their families. I mean, look, honestly, when you have your kids in the car, you don't want to drive like a complete jackass. But I think these routes are fairly safe, right? Sure. They're not, you know, the tail of the dragon, take it easy, but pretty much they're not these like death-defying roads where, and plus my group they don't drive like maniacs. We have adults. You know, this luxury rally is something a little bit different. The less expensive rallies, which are shorter duration usually, just want to get somewhere really fast, right? And so that's not like our goal. We have a great time, we have fun. I mean, you guys can see from our videos that the rallies are awesome, but bringing your family, bringing your wife, bringing your kids, it's a total option. I mean, we're the only company on earth that does rallies with rental cars, right? So if you guys wanted to rent a Urus, like you have an Aventador at home and you want to rent a Urus and come on the trip, it's and bring the kids and bring everybody and make it a 10-day vacation, right? Because that's what I do, and my kids love it. It's an awesome experience.
It definitely is. With these events and everything, that will all be wrapped up into the rate. Obviously, there's some stuff like fuel and everything that you guys will be accountable for, but we always try to make sure that the rallies are inclusive as possible.
Yeah. At the end of the day, I've been on 15 different company rallies, and I take my experience on those rallies, what I would rather have if I did my own rally, right? And that's kind of how we design them. So for us, we're doing luxury because I like to travel in luxury and I like to make it to where the beds are amazing. Yeah. I mean, Tony knows how picky I am when we pick these hotels. I mean, we go through 15 to 20 hotels per city and read all the reviews. I ask them what mattresses they have in the rooms, what sheet brands they have. I get really detailed.
Restaurants are on property.
Yeah, like sourcing and everything. So, you know, our rallies are very affordable. This rally that we're doing, rally number 4, is $7,500 for the drive portion. And the cruise portion will be booked separately because there's a wide range of cruises, or the rooms. I personally booked a very nice suite that has more bedrooms than the other ones. I'm crazy excited about that because it's awesome. It's a 3-bedroom apartment on a cruise ship. But we have other guests that don't necessarily want the space, right? And they book just a single bed, right, with a balcony.
Yeah, you can book anything from a room that has just a porthole,
sure,
all the way up to the finest luxury. Well, actually you can't because that room's taken.
Yeah, sorry guys, it's taken. But yeah, I mean, there's so many options, and I think it's really cool because the rally portion, $7,500, is very affordable. You know, we don't profit on the rallies. We want to get out there. We want to have fun. We make it for the YouTube content. We do it because we want to build camaraderie between our customers, and it's something that we offer, you know, twice a year, right? Basically in the spring and the fall, for our guests to enjoy themselves on a little extended period. So that being said, the dates for this one are?
It'll be March 14th through the 19th for the drive portion. And the cruise is from the 19th until the 26th. So essentially March 14th until the 26th, if you're looking to do the entire thing, $7,500 for just the drive portion.
And the cruise starts at $4,000.
And the cruise starts right about $4,000.
For 2 people. So, anything else you want to add?
It's going to be a great time. I mean, we've had 3 cruises before this. Each time we've stepped it up. The experience has been amazing. We've had people that have gone on every cruise with us, and we've had new people every cruise or every rally. So It's been extremely fun for all of us. It's a great time to decompress, but it's also a great time to get out and meet new people that you definitely will gain a relationship with.
Yeah, no, we got a rally family.
Yeah, we do.
We got a rally family. That being said, I'm only going to let 20 people on this rally, and about 8 spots are already taken from the last rally attendees. So that would mean there's 12 spots left. I really love keeping it clean and keeping it simple. We had a rally with 38 people once. That was a lot of work. There's a lot of work keeping tabs on everybody. 20 people is a sweet spot. And so if you guys want to be one of the additional 12 people that we have spots for, call Tony directly at the office. You can call him or email him at Tony@RoyaltyExoticCars. I will be available on the Royalty Instagram, which Mario handles for me. He answers all those questions. So if you have questions, general stuff, anything, and if you guys want to put down a deposit, you don't have to pay the whole thing at once. The rally is 4 months from now-ish, about 3.5 months from now. So if you guys want to, put down a deposit, get it all situated, and then, you can pay towards the end there, and then you can book your own cruise, which they take their own payments. So rental cars are available. Those are going to be more expensive than the other rally because there is shipping time on this because they're going to Nashville and then Florida to back. So we recommend that you don't have to have a supercar to come on rallies, guys. Like, I really want to take my S-Class again this year. Maybe I won't. This year will probably be the STO. I'm pretty sure it's going to be the STO this year. The Veyron, maybe. I really want to take the STO. Like, it's been my thing, and I think it'll be done by then. Worst case scenario, I'll take the Veyron. I don't know. That just sounds so fun, 2,500 horsepower, gated 6-speed manual.
Yes, STO. There's a 2,500 horsepower STO with 6-speed manual coming.
And it's going to have a even fire crankshaft, which is going to make it sound just like a pre-LP Gallardo. So that being said, that's all I have for the information on the rally. We're going to post up a bunch of stuff on Instagram and on everywhere else, but you guys on YouTube are hearing it first. So if you guys want to bring a cool, comfy car or a crazy sports car, or maybe even an SUV or something, give Tony a call and get one of those 12 spots that are left.